Good job, Aubrey. Your owie hurts? Logan, let's do one thing at a time. You don't need to skate and play with the bouncy ball. That's very dangerous. Put the bouncy ball over there, please.
Ready? Ready?
Thank you. Good job.
Ready? Hold on to that.
Good job going forward, Logan. Good job. Skate across the room so I can video you. Ready? Show me how you do it. Show me. We can show Grandma and Grandma and Papa and Papa. Wow, look at you go. And here's Aubrey. She's doing hers too. Good job. Good one. Thanks, Kayla.
You want me to move? Or should I move this?
Aubrey, that's really good. You're doing great. Good one. Whoa.
Fun. Okay, skate to the letters. Okay, straighten out your skates. Stand up. Stand. No.
Really good, Aubrey. You can skate the letters.
Okay.
This is December 18th, 2013. Aubrey, get down, Logan. Get down, please. Aubrey is 2 and Logan is 4. Get down, please. That means right now. That means right now.
Come on.
You need help? All right.
Yes.
Okay.
I did it, Mom.
What do you say?
Excuse me.
Good job.
My skate part.
Can I help you?
Oh, always say excuse me when you do that.
We're skating, Mom.
I know, you're doing so good.
Now can I see? I'm balanced.
You're balanced? Yes, you're very good with that.
Skating. Can I see?
You all right, Logan?
Yes.
That was a big crash.
Mommy,
Want me
can
to
you
help
get
you?
me back up?
Grab my hand.
Can I
Okay.
see, Mom?
In just a minute. We're still making a movie.
Can I see, Aubrey?
Mm-hmm.
Can I see, B?
Just a minute. We're still making the movie. When we're done, we'll let you watch, okay?
I'm skating to you.
Wow. Is skating hard? Yeah. Are we gonna go
It's
this?
skating harder than me. I'm really fast.
Yeah.
I'm running.
You're scary fast.
So, are we gonna go to the skating rink?
Yeah, I went there with Apple and Lester. Skating one.
They have one here, too, that we can go to.
This is not a skating rink.
We can go to the ice skating rink.
Ooh.
Go to the skating rink. Can we go to the skating
Can you skate over here, Aubrey?
Yes.
Doing good.
Wow, that's great.
Wow, Logan.
Just zooming all around. You're a zoom zoomer. Oh,
Ouch.
crash. You alright?
Yes.
That's a doozy on your butt.
You're a tough guy. Ugh,
No, it
it hurt.
Aubrey, don't laugh when he gets hurt.
Is it okay?
Yes. It's my butt.
Do we have to have the elf kiss your butt to make it better? What?
Those things are stinky.
Yeah.
Because this smells is want to spray them and get them yummy.
Good thing Kayla was there to get you. My goodness.